Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's learn how we can create a simple contact form when someone tries to book a session. So, when someone clicks on book a session page, they will be able to see a simple contact form so that if they really wanted to get in touch with Click and Capture Studio, they will fill the form. And when I open the notepad, I have a very small requirement. On the form, we have to mention these three options. One is name, contact number, and then the message. As soon as the user submitted the form, they have to get the confirmation message and the form details needs to be sent to this particular email address. Now, in order to create a form, we have to install the plugin and the name of the plugin is going to be WP Forms. So, I want everybody to make a note of the plugin name. Alright, so let me come back to Chrome browser. Currently we are in the clickandcapturestudio.com and from here we have to navigate to the WordPress, and in the WordPress we do have an option called plugins. So let me click on plugins, and here we have to install a new plugin. So let's click on add new plugin, and here we have to search for the plugin and the name of the plugin is going to be WP Forms. So let me click on enter. As soon as I click on enter, we can directly see the plugin called WP Forms and we have to click on install now. We can clearly see that currently 6+ million active users are using WP Forms and it is a 5-star plugin. Now once the plugin has been installed, we have to click on activate. This probably will take 5 to 10 seconds of time. As soon as the plugin gets installed, it will come and fall in the plugins page. In parallel, we will be able to see the new option called WP Forms. So the very first thing that we have to do is we have to create a new form. So let me click on add new. It will take us to a page where we can see multiple pages by default given by WP plugin, and from here either we can create a blank form or maybe since we need a very simple contact form, let's click on simple contact form and then let me click on use template, and here we can see a simple form with name, email and comment or message. Now as per the requirement, we should be having three options. One is name, the second one is contact number, and then the third one is message. So let me click on name, and here I want to just change the format of the name. I want to keep it simple so the user either can enter the first name or last name or maybe the full name. And after that, I want to change the title from email to phone number, or maybe if I really wanted the user to enter the number only in the numeric format, then we have to delete this particular option. Let me click on OK, and then we do have an option called add fields, and from there we can select numbers, and here we can click on numbers and we can change it to contact number. Alright, and from here we can drag and keep it in the second position. And the final option is going to be message. So let me rename it to message and then let me click on save. Alright, so creating a simple contact form is very simple, and before keeping it on the book a session page, let's do a little quick settings. So let me click on settings, and first thing I want to click on notifications. As soon as the user fill the form details needs to be sent to an email address, and I have an email address studioclickandcapture@gmail.com. So let me take the copy of the name and then let me paste it right here, and the email subject line that we have to see is the name of the user. So let me select the field name, and then when it comes to from name, even it have to be the name of the user which they have entered on the form. And I want to keep all the other fields as it is, and I want to click on save. Once it is done, let me quickly click on confirmations, and here is the place where we are going to give the confirmation message. As soon as the user fills the form, he have to see this particular confirmation message. In the confirmation type, we have to select message, and when it comes to the confirmation message, we do have a custom confirmation message given by the client. So let me take the copy of it and then let me paste it right here. We are excited to hear from you and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. For an immediate response, please WhatsApp us at 814-3937-367. That's a fantastic fancy number, right? And also remember that make sure that this particular option is always turned on, so that whenever the user submits the form, he will be automatically scrolled to the confirmation message. Now let me click on save, and once it is done, let's open Click and Capture Studio website. And then from here, let's navigate to the WordPress, and in the WordPress dashboard, we have to navigate to the pages, and here we want to keep the simple contact form on the book a session page. So we have to click on edit, and once the book a session page has been opened, we have an option called plus icon, and here we have to click, and from the options we have to search for WP forms, and from the drop down we have to select simple contact form which we have created, where we can see the name, contact number and message. So it is so simple. All we have to do is to click on save. Now the page is updated. So let me open a new tab, navigate to clickandcapturestudio.com, and then if anybody clicks on book a session, they have to see this particular form. Now I want to quickly fill my information just to make sure that the form details are sending to studioclickandcapture@gmail.com, and I want to enter my contact number, and then I want to send a message. Hi Click and Capture Studio, I would like to book a wedding package. Please call me back. And I want to click on submit. As soon as I click on submit, we have received the confirmation message stating that we are excited to hear from you and will get back to you as soon as possible for an immediate response. They are asking us to WhatsApp to their WhatsApp number. If my requirement is urgent, I clearly see the WhatsApp number, right? I use my phone and then I WhatsApp to Click and Capture Studio. That's how the Click and Capture Studio will get the message directly from the user, and we can make a use of the simple contact form just to get the lead. So simple. I hope you understand how we can create a simple contact form using WP Forms plugin. And if you really find this video helpful, please continue watching my digital marketing sessions. It will be very easy. I see you in the next video. Thank you so much.